In this video, I'll show you how to add card in VidIQ. That is a payment method. So you need to open up VidIQ. Wait for it to load up. Now you need to tap on these three lines at the top. You need to scroll down. You'd see where you'd see your profile photo. That is your for test tutorials, your email. Tap on it. You'd see plans. So tap on the plus. So you need to come on here and find the best one that suits your own preference. So let me say I want to use the first option. I'll tap on it. So I'm going to wait for this to load up. Then after this has opened up, you'd see payment method required. You need a method of payment to access this functionality. Then once you tap on the continue, you're going to be redirected to where you can be able to add up your payments method card. Then you can be able to get your VidIQ subscription. That is how you can add your payment method. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.